I significantly overestimated my need for garden soil in this year's order, so I figured now would be a good time to make that garden bed that my kids have been asking for. I have a considerable amount of wood at my disposal, but the thought of final milling all of this was not really that appetizing to me. Fortunately, the old man in the basement of YouTube decided to show me Bob's latest video.
The composite pieces made specifically for garden beds, they're often hollow. But since I could get these locally, I decided to go ahead and get these, and I got them in an 8-foot length. The rest of this material is going to end up being a spike of some sort. I don't know the exact shape.
Bob, you are brilliant!
Last summer, I rehabbed our deck with TimberTech AZEK and was left with a significant number of offcuts that I couldn't bear to throw away. Using this material along with Bob's video, I was able to kill multiple birds with one stone. I grabbed the leftover scraps that have been sitting in my shed, organized them by length. I was able to get about a 4-foot by 3-foot bed out of all of this. I cut the aluminum angle on the chop saw, marked out the lines for the stake, and cut this on the bandsaw. I then drilled all the holes on the drill press, and cut an extra baluster in half in order to provide support to the edges of the garden bed. I then got to assembly, which went pretty quick. Word of warning, cut aluminum is quite sharp. I then added the edge supports, and I was ready to put it into place. I chose a corner of the lawn that already had very little grass, which made for a lot less prep work. But I did find a few buried treasures along the way. I then made a number of trips to fill it up. And planted some grass around it to try and cut down on the mud. It's now time for the final reveal. Remember? What is it?
A kid-sized garden bed.
Isn't that just what you wanted?
Yeah!
We just gotta let the grass
But how
grow.
will we get in there to plant them?
We have to let the grass grow for a week or two, and then we can get in there. Isn't that exciting?
We can step over it.
You can step over it,
So
so
Cooper
Cooper
won't destroy the plant.
That's right. Happy day.
Hey, Sarah, come on. Look!
Oh, look, it's your very own vegetable garden. What are you going to grow in it?